Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Now, Terra Classic rise have continued, and this is 7 days straight. Terra Classic has been increasing in price, and I'm happy to see this coin continues to rise. As of yesterday, we saw Terra Classic hitting about 7% increase in price. 2 days ago, Terra Classic was actually hitting almost 11% increase in price, and today Terra Classic actually hit almost 4%. It's amazing. I'm happy to see this coin continues to increase in price every day by day. Now, I believe Terra Classic before the end of this year, this coin can hit 1 cent, because in fact a lot of crypto experts have actually been predicting Terra Classic to hit 1 cent before the end of this year. Now, Terra Classic, for me, I think they are one of the best small cap coins, and they're one of the best coins of 2022, because when you take a look at statistics according to CoinMarketCap, Terra Classic was one of the top coins, the top 10 coins people searched more last year. Okay, and I believe this year that search is going to continue. Terra Classic is also going to dominate. And one important thing I love about this coin is for the fact that they only have just 6 trillion coins out there. Unlike some coins like Shiba Inu, coins like Shiba Doge, coins like tectonic tokens that have over 500 billion and trillions of coins. And then I believe that the Terra Classic with just 6 trillion, this coin is going to hit a massive increase in price, because the burning of Terra Classic have also increased, and I hope to see the Terra Classic burn out at least 1 trillion coin this year, 2023. Now, remember last year they were able to burn 37 billion coins within the space of 3 months. When you take a look at calculation of this, simply means if Terra Classic continue the way they are actually burning, this coin might actually burn about 150 billion. But I know for sure that this 2023 the burning is definitely going to increase, so we are expecting between 500 billion and 1 trillion Terra Classic burn before the end of the year. Of course, it's going to be amazing. It's going to help Terra Classic to gain a lot in terms of rise, in terms of market cap, in terms of price. I believe this coin will definitely increase in price. But remember, in case you want to buy or you want to hold Terra Classic, buy and invest what you can afford to lose. And for me, I think this year, for not just for Terra Classic, crypto industry is going to be a bullish year for most coins in crypto industry. Now, BTC have also already started it. Bitcoin is now almost hitting $24,000, and I believe that very soon we'll be seeing Bitcoin hitting about $30,000 for 1 Bitcoin. Let's hope for the best year to come. Now, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.